WOLF stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I am the only persona in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos, documented them all, and it's all on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, yes, tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, and ultimately Wolfspeed. It's currently a bearish range for me. And I'm not just saying just to be popular or whatever. No, this is where it began. This is where it began. It was like $10 at the time, 5 months back. Since then, it's been just melting. And I'm here to tell you that only if I see breaks above 426 am I really going to begin buying and whatnot. Currently, it's not like, yeah, I just forced a little long here, but the rules were met, you know, so that was good. I didn't just take a trade just for the sake of it. Now I was following my rules and managed to get met. But for me, currently, just a bearish market. Like, not even willing to trade this environment because there's like far better trade tickers that I'm following. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading consistently, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and free insights.